Hi, and this video is we're going to discuss phase management for time tracking. So to use the time tracking feature in Project 360, you do need to create time phases for it. So how you do that is a few different ways. You can go under time tracking and go to manage phases. Time phases are also, like we showed you when pushing a proposal over, are brought over from the proposal. So any final trim pre-wire that was in the proposal gets brought over. But there might be other phases you want to add, like maybe travel time, or whatever it may be that you want to add. Or like I said, to use this as your time tracking clock completely, you might want to create phases under your company's project, like office, warehouse, meetings, and so forth. So how you do that is pretty simple. Go under time tracking, manage phases. It'll list all the projects that have phases already created. To add a phase, you can do that one of two ways. You can just simply hit the plus symbol up in the upper right hand corner, and then you'll select the project that you want. Select the phase that you want. So these are all the phases that are associated with that. To create one, you just simply hit Other and give it a name. So if this case was going to be travel, you can simply hit travel. You can put in a description. You can put in a budgeted hours that you want to track against, but you don't have to. Those aren't required. And then simply save that phase. If you go into any of the projects, again, you can use the search feature right here. So if you're looking for a specific project, you can just start typing it. You can click on it. You can go into that project. You can see all the phases that are currently set up for that project. You can then activate or deactivate the phases if you need to. You can't delete phases because we don't want to lose that data, but you can activate and deactivate. And when you do deactivate something, it won't show up in your guys' drop down for the phases to choose from when they're entering time. So sometimes that's a little, making it easier for them, less to choose from. You can edit any of these phases by just clicking edit, and again, you can add more for this project right from here. And that is how you create a phase for time tracking in projects.